I'm Jeff Barth with JWB Manufacturing, and I would like to welcome you into my shop in Tempe, Arizona. Today, I'd like to talk to you about a pair of blades that they're very durable. They are for the ideal 4.5 750 machine, also for the Artos CS 336, the 337, and 338. Very durable blades, and I'd like to share with you just the process and how they're made. We buy the steel, it's A2 tool steel. We buy it in 3-foot lengths. We cut them up, we square them up, and then we put the holes in them so that they're ready to set. And then we send it off to heat treat. These are heat treated to a Rockwell C hardness of between 58 and 60. It's the standard, it's the optimal, creates the optimal durability of the blade. If it's too low, then it doesn't keep and hold its strength. If it's too high, it begins to get a little brittle. But that's kind of the ideal setup for these blades and for A2 tool steel, generally speaking. Once we get it back from heat treat, we start getting it to thickness, and then we actually will put the V in the sharpen. After that's done, then I will actually mark the parts. These are made in my shop in Tempe, Arizona. If you have any questions, just like a lot of our other blades that are standard blades, these come with a money-back guarantee, and I'd like to have you consider those. If you have any questions about these blades or any other blades, just send me an email, and I'd be happy to follow back up with you. Again, these are for the ideal 4.5 750 Artos CS 336, 337, 338 machines. Have a good day.